5 Golden Skills for Tech Success in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 5 golden skills you'll need to succeed in the tech world in 2025. These aren't just some random skills, they are the foundation of where tech is going. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the big one. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are already changing the game, and by 2025, they'll be completely unavoidable. We're talking self-driving cars, personalized medicine, even algorithms that can write scripts like this one. Just kidding. Maybe. Mastering AI and ML is about understanding how machines think, learn, and solve real-world problems. The opportunities? They're endless. Every industry will be touched by AI and ML. Whether you're a coding whiz or just starting out, learning the basics of AI and ML is like getting a backstage pass to the future of tech. Trust me, the future of tech is all about AI and ML, and the sooner you jump on board, the better prepared you'll be. Alright, let's talk about the superheroes of the tech world. Cybersecurity professionals. Every day, we entrust our lives to technology, our finances, personal information, communication. It's all out there in the digital world. And with that comes the very real threat of cyber attacks. But that's where cybersecurity comes in. These are the people protecting our data, privacy, and digital infrastructure. They're the guardians of the digital galaxy, fighting off cyber threats so we don't have to. The Internet of Things, IoT, is exploding with smart homes, connected cars, even smart refrigerators. All of these devices collect data, and all of them are potential targets for hackers. That's why the demand for cybersecurity professionals is skyrocketing. Companies, governments, everyone is looking for skilled individuals who can protect their systems and their data. The need for skilled professionals is only going to grow, and the work you do will be absolutely essential in keeping our digital world safe. Chapter 3. Okay, time to talk about the invisible force that powers so much of our digital lives. Cloud computing. It's the backbone of modern technology, enabling everything from social media to online banking. Remember the days of bulky hard drives and constantly running out of storage? Those were the times when we had to be very selective about what to keep and what to delete. Yeah, the cloud pretty much made all that obsolete. No more worrying about physical storage limits. Now we can access our data from anywhere, anytime, all thanks to the power of cloud computing. Whether you're on your phone, laptop, or tablet, your files are just a click away. But here's the thing. Cloud computing isn't just about storage. It's a whole ecosystem of services that can transform how we work and play. It's about providing on-demand access to computing resources. Need more processing power? The cloud's got you covered. It's about giving businesses and individuals the tools they need to innovate, to scale, and to succeed in the digital age. From startups to large enterprises, everyone benefits. Startups can now launch global businesses without needing to invest in expensive hardware. They can focus on their ideas and let the cloud handle the rest. Researchers can analyze massive data sets without having to build their own supercomputers. The cloud provides the computational power they need. Understanding cloud computing is no longer optional. It's a fundamental skill in today's tech-driven world. It's a skill that's in high demand and will become more valuable as the digital world evolves. Companies are constantly looking for cloud-savvy professionals. Trust me, taking the time to understand cloud computing is an investment that will pay off big time in the years to come. The future is in the cloud, and it's time to get on board. Chapter 4. Alright, let's talk about the gold rush of the 21st century data. It's everywhere and it's growing exponentially every single day. But not just any data. I'm talking about the ability to take mountains of information, make sense of it all, and turn it into something valuable. This is the essence of data science and analytics. We live in a world that's absolutely drowning in data. From social media posts to transaction records, the sheer volume is staggering. Every click, swipe, purchase, it's all being tracked, measured, and analyzed. This data holds the potential to unlock incredible insights, but raw data is useless unless you know what to do with it. It's like having a treasure map but not knowing how to read it. That's where data scientists and analysts come in. They are the modern-day alchemists, turning raw data into actionable insights. They're the ones who can sift through all the noise, identify the patterns, and extract meaningful insights. They find the signal in the noise. Every industry, from healthcare to finance to marketing, is looking for ways to leverage data to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge. The applications are endless. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, optimize supply chains, or develop personalized treatments for diseases, all through the power of data. The possibilities are truly transformative. There are tons of resources available to help you get started, from online courses to boot camps to degree programs. The journey to becoming a data expert is more accessible than ever. Data science and analytics is a field with endless possibilities. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape, and if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards can be incredible. The impact you can make is profound. Trust me, data science and analytics is a field with endless possibilities. The future is bright for those who can harness the power of data. Chapter 5. Okay, we've talked about AI, cybersecurity, the cloud, and data. These are all transformative technologies that are reshaping our world. Now let's get into something that's still kind of mysterious to a lot of people. Blockchain technology. It's a term that's thrown around a lot, but not everyone fully understands what it means. Now, I know the first thing that probably comes to mind is cryptocurrency. And that's understandable because it's the most well-known application of blockchain. And yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that stuff is built on blockchain. But if you think blockchain is just about digital currency, you're missing the bigger picture. But here's the thing. Blockchain is so much bigger than just digital currency. It's a revolutionary technology with a wide range of applications. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, but not just any ledger. This one's decentralized, meaning no single entity has control over it. This one's super secure, transparent, and virtually tamper-proof. It's designed to be immutable, meaning once data is recorded, it cannot be altered. So what can you actually do with blockchain besides, buying and selling crypto? Well, a lot actually. Its potential uses are vast and varied. We're talking about revolutionizing supply chains, making them more efficient and transparent, creating more secure voting systems, ensuring the integrity of elections, even transforming the way we think about digital identity. Imagine having a secure, verifiable digital ID that you control. Imagine a world where you can track your food from farm to table, knowing exactly where it came from and how it was handled. This level of transparency can revolutionize industries, knowing exactly where it came from and how it was handled. This level of transparency can revolutionize industries. Blockchain is about creating trust and transparency in a digital world that often lacks both. It's about building systems that people can rely on. Trust me, blockchain is not just a fad. It's here to stay and will continue to grow in importance. It's a fundamental technology that has the potential to transform countless industries. From finance to healthcare, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it, 5 golden skills that will be crucial for success in the tech world of 2025 and beyond. Remember, the future of tech isn't just about coding or building robots, although those are pretty cool. It's about solving problems, creating solutions, and using technology to make a real impact on the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.